Hey guys, it's Keith Connors from whatismyhomereallyworth.com talking to you again about secrets to finding your home's real value. There are many systems, an automated valuation model, a realtor valuation model, a CMA, and then next is something we call an absorption rate. And it literally does give you an accurate interpretation of how long it will take your house to sell. Here's an absorption rate example where 64 homes are active on the market and the days per sold is 1.75, meaning if we price it correctly, this home should sell in 3.71 months. Okay, that's actually a pretty good market. Up to 5 months is a pretty good market, a pretty balanced market. Price it just a little bit below, like even as much as 1 or 2%, and you can sell much quicker. We can talk about that. I have a plan, a 3-step plan to sell any home as quickly as you like. Okay, call me anytime on my cell, 727-563-6692, or toll free, of course, at 888-Mr. Beach. Peace. Have a great day.